Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fold your rear seat in or on your Mazda CX-5. Here we are. These are the rear seats. This is awesome. You can switch the headrest up and down easily. Here you can see there is a little lever. This you can push, or the button you can push, then you can smash it back in the bottom position. And this is really important to get this headrest back in the rear down selection. And there it is. You have some levers, one on the right, one on the left side. There you can pull, and then you can see this red indicator. This indicator says to you, I'm now unlocked. Okay? And if this indicator is going back, that means I'm locked. Good job. Okay? So, before folding the seat back down with these levers, you have to check that there's nobody on the rear seat. But if you're going to do this, as you can see, there is a spring that gets your rear seats nearly automatically down. Here now, to get more space at the back side, it's really easy to fold down these seats. But you have more. In this case, you have more. This is an armrest on the back side. That has to be on the upper position. If you go back, push it back into the lock, but take care, you will need the seat belt. The seat belt you have first to get back in position, and then you can fold back your rear seat. It's really easy, as you can see. And then take care of the indicator. The indicator will get you some information and get it back in position. Yeah, now push a little bit, job's done. And this is the same on the opposite side. Really easy, as you can see. But there is a cooler way to get this. Using the remote handle with rear seat. Yeah, this is really awesome. I liked it so much. Turn the rear seat warmer switch off first, and then it goes. After checking that the rear seats are clear, open the lift gate and lower the seat back you want to fold down using the remote handle. Oh yeah. When folding the left side, operate the outer part of the remote handle. And then you can see there are the different options, or 3 levers out there. One lever is for the center position. One lever is for the left rear seat position, and one lever on the right side is for the right rear seat. And this is really easy. And to get all down, you only have to push both at the same time, and then they dip down. So let's perform this. Let's go to the lever on the right side. Pull the lever, pull the lever. Yeah, this is the lever. And if we are going to pull them, the rear seat will switch automatically to the bottom position. Woo! Let's perform this on the left side. Here we have 2 levers. The inner lever is for the middle area. You can see the middle area. And the other lever is for both the middle and the left side. Job's done. Easy, as you can see. Then you can perform this backward and get them back in position in the upper side. And be careful if you're operating the remote handles with the center seatbelt folded down. If a person sitting in the right rear seat places a hand on the center seat, it could be pinched by a seat back or seat component, causing injury. So take care of it. But this is really awesome thing, I think. It's really awesome. So let's get them back in position. Take care of the seat belts, get it back into the lock. Yeah, indicator is gone. Everything is back in action. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun.